So, first thing you're going to need to do is get your ingredients together. You want to get a bucket of water together, some soap. I'll put a link in the description below to the soap and this extension squeegee pole, which comes in really handy. Now, I'll show you, you can actually extend this thing quite far. So you can get really high if you live in a place like my ceilings are 11 foot too. So I'm 6'2". It's kind of hard for me to even reach with a step ladder, a small step ladder. So, but in this case, I cleaned down to one to make it a little bit easier for us. So I don't have to go through all that for this video. So I just disconnect this, and all you need is dish soap and water. All the professionals, that's the secret of what they use. Everyone thinks you need to use all these fancy window cleaners, streak-free this, streak-free that. They all streak. And again, this is for outdoor windows, so I don't know if you want water all over your inside, but this works great. You can do one of two things. You can put some of the soap into your water here, or you just do what I do. Each window I rinse this off in the sink and then put another little batch of dish soap on it. Make sure you have a rag, and a bunch of rags actually, because you want to kind of switch them out. And you want to just really quick and only do little sections at a time. Be careful if it's sunny out, because the sun will dry this really quick and you'll have soapy streaks all over the place. But anyway, and you clean your squeegee between each wipe. So wipe, 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 wipe. And each time, like I said, that way you don't have streaks all over the place. You want to start at the top, work your way down. Look at that. And again, I live in Chicago, so we have a lot of high rises, and I see those crazy window washer guys on the ropes, or the trolleys, I think they're called. Those guys are a little bit wild, crazy, nuts, if you want to say. I'm not hanging 40 stories off cleaning windows. But if you have a balcony or just your house outside windows or whatever, this is the easiest way. Like in the city, they clean ours every 6 months. I don't want to wait. Today's the first day of fall. It's kind of beautiful. Also, most of these extension pole kits, neat little things. You just Velcro the pad on. You just take it off, throw it in a wash with your rags. Quick cleanup. Now it's ready to go again next time you need it. And that's it. Look, beautiful streak-free windows. Easy peasy. Have a great day.